Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where the backup lives and why that matters. Cloud backups behave differently than external drives. Once you know the location, make sure you have enough free space. Restore needs the photos plus room for temporary files. Also gather credentials and any two-factor device because you will be prompted. Connect the external drive or sign into the cloud now. Then open the backup app or service so you can list available restore points and decide which snapshot to use. You now pick the snapshot or date range that contains the photos you need. Precision prevents restoring unnecessary files. Once picked, choose the destination. Restoring to the original path helps apps find them, while a new folder avoids overwrites. Make use of selective restore or filters, for example, JPG or PNG, and smaller date ranges to speed the process. If the tool offers a verification step, run it. This confirms file integrity and reduces the chance of duplicates or missing items. You finish by verifying the photos open and metadata matches expectations. Thumbnails and timestamps are quick checks. Once done, organize recovered images into folders and make a fresh backup to prevent repeat recovery. If some photos are missing, rerun the restore with another snapshot, look in hidden folders, or check the backup logs for errors. If problems persist, use a reputable file recovery tool or contact the backup provider for support. And remember to enable regular, automated backups going forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.